Hi guys! Whether you call it apple crisp or apple crumble, it doesn't matter. It's still really delicious, and this one is the best I've ever had. I absolutely loved it. I got the idea of making something that's kind of more in season or seasonal, so not just the typical apple, but I wanted to add something to it that kind of says winter, autumn and holiday season. So I added a little bit of cranberries to give that sweet sour taste, and also I decided to add some pecan nuts to give that lovely crunch. So the crumble has the crumbly topping, which is already really crunchy, but the addition of pecan nuts really brings it to a next level. And already when you're thinking, yum, that sounds delicious, then just top it with a little bit of homemade vanilla sauce or a little bit of vanilla ice cream. I have the recipe for the vanilla sauce as well. I didn't film it, but I will include the recipe on my website. It's really simple and easy to make, so definitely worth making your own. And if you want to have a video of that, I will be making that really soon, so in about probably a week's time you will also have the recipe with the video for the vanilla sauce. And now let's make the perfect winter dessert. We're going to start by preparing the apples. So I want to peel the apples and de-seed them. And then you just want to cube them. And I'm gonna add them to a separate bowl. And because we don't want the apples to turn brown, I have a lemon here and I'm gonna be squeezing in some lemon juice over my apples whenever I add some more so that they won't start browning. So I have all the apples here and I'm just gonna add in the cranberries first. I'm using dried cranberries. You could also use raisins. Just going to mix them in a little bit. Then I have the brown sugar here and I'm gonna add in a little bit of cornstarch. Also, I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon and giving it all a mix. And then I'm just gonna add it on top of the apples. And mixing in again with my hands. Then you want to prepare your baking dish and add in the apples in there. And now I'm gonna prepare the crunchy topping. So I'm adding in the oats first. then the flour, the sugar, also adding the cinnamon in here. Then I'm also adding some pecan nuts for some extra crunch. And the last thing we are adding in there is the butter. You want the butter to be cold, and then you just want to combine the butter with the rest of the ingredients until the kind of crumbly texture forms. And once it's all kind of mixed in, it comes together and it forms these kinds of bits, then you can top your apples with the crunch. And now it's ready to go into the oven. So you see, it's really easy to make, and you can even pre-make it, so you can do everything apart from baking. Put the crumble, the apple crisp. You see, I call it crumble all the time because I used to study in the UK, and that's where it's called apple crumble. So that's why I call it apple crumble, but apple crisp, the same thing. So you can pre-make it and store it in the fridge until you want to bake it. So you have done the prep and you can bake it just before serving, so it will be really warm, bubbly, and the ice cream, if you're serving with ice cream, will melt directly on the crumble, on the apple crisp. I absolutely enjoy this recipe, and the day that I had the last bit of the apple crisp, I had the last bit. I had to battle for it, but I got the last bit, and the moment I had the last spoonful, I thought, I miss it already. So I'm gonna make this again very soon because it's so delicious. It's a combination of that little sour taste from the apples and the cranberries combined with the sweet crunchy crumble topping and the ice cream or the vanilla sauce. So it's really a perfect dessert because it has all the components. It has the sour, it has the sweet, and it has that crunch. I hope I inspired you to make this for your family, friends, for the holidays coming, and I hope you all will enjoy it. If you like this recipe, then you know what to do. Show me that thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then you can find the subscribe button over here. You can subscribe, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching my video, and happy holidays!